my name is Liza, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you notice the space is different, I am traveling, but I still want to create some content for you guys. So with that, I am creating these 10-minute series of manifesting mindfulness, and today we're going to manifest a little bit of feeling and flow. This 10-minute sequence is going to get into the hips, I know you guys love that, and into the lower back as well. So with that, let's go ahead and begin lying on down onto our backs. The knees are bent. And just take this moment to breathe on in and exhale on out. Hug the knees in towards the chest and begin to trace circles onto the ceiling, to the right, up towards the chin, to the side and back. And take it into the opposite direction. And from here, can you go ahead and see if you can cross the right ankle over the left ankle and just take a hold of these ankles and see if you can hug the knees closer together. And then maybe you can slowly draw the feet apart as you hug the knees in close to you. Taking a nice big deep breath in and exhale. Release the left foot on down and see if you can send the right side of the foot onto the left knee. Hug the left knee on in. And then go ahead, see if you can interlace fingers underneath the left knee. The right hand is through the keyhole of the legs. We're going to go ahead and hug the left knee on in. Breathing on in. And sighing it on out. When you are ready, go ahead, see if you can inhale. And exhale, place that left foot on down. Hug the right knee on in. Take a hold of the right side of the foot, the ankle underneath the right knee. And then just go ahead and draw the right knee on in towards the side. And then lengthen, if it's possible, through that left leg as you send that right knee gently on down. Go at your own, because we're not warmed up unless you did an earlier video, so I would like you to go at your 30% if that feels good. Maybe you push it to like 40 or 50, but we don't want to go too deep on the hip flexors. Take a nice big deep breath in. And exhale, go ahead, see if you can transfer that right foot to the left leg, and can you straighten that left leg, maybe get into the IT band. This is also very good to do with a strap, and you can slowly begin to gently send that left leg right leg all the way over to the left side. Let me just remove my mic pack to get it a little bit easier. Taking a nice big deep breath in. And exhale, go ahead, slowly hug the right knee on in here. Extend the right leg on out. Maybe wrap 2 peace fingers around the big toe, and then again, straight leg. Send that right leg all the way over to the side. Maybe you're just holding on to the leg. Go ahead, slowly place that right foot on down. Let's take that whole sequence on the opposite side. So go ahead, hug the knees in towards the chest. This time trace circles to the left. Giving a nice massage to the lower back. And see if you can cross at the ankles. Take a hold of the ankles, draw the knees in closer together. And the further apart you bring the feet away from each other, and the closer you bring the knees in towards each other, you'll feel it right in your glute muscle. Taking a nice big deep inhale and exhale. Last big deep breath here. And exhale, release the right foot on down. Send the left side of the foot onto the right knee. Send the left hand through the keyhole of the legs, the right hand underneath, the right knee, fingers interlace. Keep both feet flexed as you hug the right knee on in towards the chest, using the elbow to press that left knee away from the body. It's that upside down figure four with the legs. Taking a nice big deep breath in. And exhale. Inhaling. And exhale. Last big deep breath in. And exhale, release the right foot on down. Take a hold of the side of the left foot as you hug the left knee on in. Maybe you can begin to straighten the right leg, feeling a nice stretch in the iliopsoas as well as the inner hip muscle. Modification, you could take a hold of the ankle or just place the arm right underneath the knee and just use it as a support. You can always release a little bit. Just go to about your 30% and then see where you can go from there. Taking a nice big deep breath in. And exhale, go ahead, slowly take a hold of the left foot with the right hand. And again, you can just cross or leave the knee a little bit bent and cross over, or you can begin to slowly straighten. Sometimes I like to just take a hold of my leg like so. As I straighten the leg, give it some support. Eventually you'll be able to take hold of the side of the foot as you begin to stretch, or not. Take a nice big deep inhale. Exhale, getting into the IT band here. Last big deep breath here. And exhale, go ahead, slowly help that left leg up. Send the side of the left foot to the left side. You can always wrap two peace fingers with the left hand, get nice and deep in there, or just take a hold of the leg with the left hand and just feel a nice opening in the left side of the leg, wherever it feels good. Last big deep breath in. And exhale. And slowly draw the left knee back to center. Take a hold of both feet coming into happy baby. Now you can send the soles of the feet together and just rock from side to side. Or eventually you can open the feet on up like pages of a book, sending the bottom of the feet or the soles of the feet up towards the ceiling. And just rock from side to side. Be very gentle. Last big deep breath in. And exhale, release the feet on down. Sway the knees from side to side as you slowly come into Shavasana. Begin to just notice how you feel at this present moment. Notice how the lower back and the hips feel. And you can just stay here as long as you wish, tuning on into how you are feeling. Not forcing, but just floating in the mist of feeling, physically, emotionally, mentally. You can stay here for as long as you wish, but if you wish to end practice here, feel free to roll onto your side, peeling yourself off the floor After good hip practice, it's so hard to come to seated position. As you're on your side, take a moment to thank yourself for just creating some time for yourself today. And press on up to your comfortable seated position. Thank you so much for joining me, my friends. I hope this practice served you. Om Shanti Shanti Peace. Namaste.